Finally got some time to try the Sovol SV06, and so far the print quality is good. The only problem is the bearings. I'm not sure if you can hear this. It's kind of rusty metal grinding sound, and it does seem like I'll have to grease the bearings, which involves disassembly of the entire machine apparently, which won't be fun, I guess. But I printed the stock benchy, and it's in white PLA they provided, and it can't get any focus, and it is actually really good. It's 0.2 millimeters, and other settings I have no clue. It came pre-sliced, and it is actually really good. So I have decided that I will do another benchy, which is happening now, with my cheap filament, something, I don't even know what that is, something really cheap, and see how that works out. And I'm using the 210 and 55 on the bed, and funny enough it thinks it's cooling the bed at the bottom. I guess everything under 60 is bed cooling, I don't know, just a wild guess. But apart from that, it's quite okay. It's an old style printer. I do have like the Minda Magician X and the Magician Max as well for bigger things. But this one I got particularly for printing more exotic materials, maybe some carbon fiber if I get the hardened nozzle, and ASA, and what else, and PA, I think, nylon, yeah, that's the one. So I want to experiment with some other materials, and since now I got all the space in the world, I can test it outside, and I have lots of room to drill things in and put DIN rails on and experiment. So yeah, actually quite good. I'll check the quality of the benchy once it's done. Be right back. And I gave the printer like a half an hour to cool down. Let's take it off the build plate. Should be relatively oh yeah, it just popped off without any effort. Okay. And using this cheap filament, that's not too bad. I can see the letters ish, good enough for me. Might be some slight issues, maybe tiny. Remember, this is in 0.3 millimeter. I sliced this 50 millimeter speed. There are some issues right here, but for that, what I will be using this, I will not care, because I'm using it more for a practical prints. So the print quality, oh, that doesn't look too bad, the steering wheel. The print quality is not that important to me. It does not have to be perfect. It does a, oh, there's something here at the back. It does a decent job, and I'm happy. Maybe better filament will look better. I don't know. This is the cheapest one I have, just for, you know, random stuff. And oh, there is some layer shifts issues. Interesting. Well, it doesn't matter. For me, it's good enough. I only print usable, practical parts, so I really don't care. So yeah, there you have it, the Sovol SV06. Good enough for me printer. I got it for like 170 quid on an offer. I think there's one running now for the Halloween, $209. So yeah, get one if you want something like this. I don't know. This is not a review. I'm just like, yeah. Hopefully it'll perform like a work tool rather than a artsy tool. So yeah, that's it. Cheerio. Thanks for watching.